Hi guys, welcome back to Diamond Candy TV. Today I'm going to be doing my Pantene Gold Series review. I know I've been saying it's been coming out for like ever, but I'm finally doing it. I had to redo it because I didn't like the way the first one came out, so we are back again. I work with the company on Instagram, but this video is going to be completely unsponsored. Not that even if it was sponsored that I wouldn't be honest, but I just like to put that out there. Just, you know, full disclosure, this video is unsponsored and it's my you know, truthful opinion as always. And I also want to mention that there will be video clips throughout the video just so you guys can have a visual representation. Even though I'm sitting down talking, there's also going to be some clips of me actually using the products, so that should be helpful as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna go from like the products that I like, and then in the later half of the video I'm gonna do the products that I don't, you know, care for too much. So we're gonna do the good first and then we're gonna do the bad. So first up is the sulfate free shampoo, and it says it's infused with argan oil. I think all of the products say that, and it says shampoo to gently cleanse and instantly soften hair, and the entire line is for dry damaged hair. The shampoo is sulfate free, paraben free, and silicone free. I really enjoyed this shampoo. As far as shampoos, you know, it's either hit or miss for me. So either it like completely dries my hair out, mats it up, you know, I can't detangle it and it's like super crunchy and dry and just a hot mess, or it's pleasant. Like I can't say, oh my god, I'm in love with it, like it left my hair like blowing in the wind, but it didn't strip my hair and it did leave some softness to my hair. It wasn't completely stripped and completely dried out, so that is a good thing. I also really enjoyed the Moisture Boost conditioner. It says it moisturizes and detangles hair for instant softness and strength after just one wash. And this one is also sulfate free, paraben free, and dye free. I enjoyed this. I use it in my routine. I'm coming up with the updated curly hair routine, and you'll see me use this. This is one of the things that I've been using very often. So I've been using the shampoo and this one very often for my hair. My scalp gets clean with the shampoo, and this goes in and it just softens my hair back up. It's very thick and creamy. It's a very thick and creamy consistency, and yeah, it also provides some slip, like it's easy to detangle, all the things that you want in a conditioner. So I really enjoyed this product. Next is the Deep Hydrating CoWash, and this is probably my favorite product from the entire line. It says that it's a sulfate free cleansing, restores strength and protects natural oils essential for hair health. I got a heavy tongue. And it says low lather, sulfate free, and paraben free. I love co-washes. If you guys know anything about me and my hair regimen, I only shampoo once a month. So the other 3 weeks I wash my hair every week, but only one of those times during the month I will use a shampoo. So any other time I'm going in with this. So this is like my most used product besides conditioner, obviously. So I definitely use co-washes more than I use shampoos, and I love that it comes in this bottle. Like the co-washes that I have, they come in like, you know, just like a jar, and that's a little bit harder. I feel like this is easy to get the product out. It does the job. It gets my scalp nice and clean, and it also softens my hair, so it's like a conditioner as well. But I do go in with the conditioner after still, but it is really, really good. This is my favorite, like no cap. I don't know if people know what that means, but that just means like for real, like I'm not lying. No cap. So that is my ultimate favorite of the line. So now, okay, I still have one more that I use. The repairing mask. I really like this. It's probably my least favorite from the ones that I do like. You know, it's nice. It does what it says. It says deep moisturizing to replenish and help restore hair health, and it does that. It's not very much in the bottle, and the consistency is pretty loose. It's not like watery, but it's a little loose, so it goes fast. This, like, I barely have anything in here because you know, it just doesn't last very long. So I don't like that about it, but it does what it says it does. It leaves my hair soft, and yeah, So it's cool. It's a cool little product. Okay, so now we're getting into the products that I don't really care too much for. These aren't products that I would go and purchase on my own with my own coin, because, you know, I just didn't care for them that much. First, we have the Leave-On Detangling Milk. It's a decent product, but I don't find myself using detangling milks that often. Really, you know, ever. I detangle my hair with my conditioner, and then I automatically go in with my styler and my gel, or whatever products I'm going to be using to create my style. So like, this is very light, and I don't feel like it really does that much for me personally. But if you are into detangling milks and like leave-on, like milky, like, you know, type products, then you might like this. I personally don't reach for something like this pretty often, so you know, I'm not going to spend my money on it. Next, we have the Intense Hydrating Oil, which I can't say that I hate it, but I think the name of it is a little misleading. So it says it's a hydrating oil. It says it's infused with argan oil. It instantly absorbs into hair to help heal fragile strands and provide brilliant shine. So it does add shine. It does do that. But it's more like a serum consistency. So it's not an oil, like something that's going to seep into your hair and really, you know, have any, you know, moisturizing properties or any kind of, you know, anything like that. It doesn't really seep into the cuticle. It's more like a serum where it kind of just sits on top. So it will give you that shine, but at the same time, it's not really penetrating the hair and not really giving you much moisture or sealing or anything like that. So it does, like I said, add shine, and it smells good. I actually like the way it feels on my hands, but if you reach for this, make sure you know it's more like a serum type product and not an actual oil. And last but not least, this is my least favorite product. It is the curl defining pudding. I'm very particular about the way that I want my wash and goes to look. I'm very particular about the type of definition that I like, and this product just did not give me that. So if you see in the clip, I have the product in my hair, and I'm going to put a side-by-side clip of my Eco Styler, which is my holy grail for defining my hair, and then I'll have this next to it. It just didn't get the job done. It's a little sticky, but it doesn't really define my curls the way that I like them to be clumped and, you know, just popping. It didn't give me that popping vibe. So I would not purchase this. This is actually my least, like I said, of the line. Maybe someone with looser curls might enjoy it. Somebody that doesn't prefer like a tight hold. I prefer like hold, like no curl out of place, at least for the first day, because then it can grow. But yeah, if you like more of a loose type of thing, then go for it. I would say give it a try, but me personally, I don't like that. And if you know that you're like me and you enjoy Eco Styler or, you know, other heavier gels that give you a really defined look, then you probably won't enjoy this product. So I actually forgot to mention this product, but this is one of the ones that I like too. It's very thick, it's very creamy, and I really like using it for my protective styles to keep my hair nice and moisturized. I use it under my wigs, for my buns, or whatever. So yeah, I really like this one too. So yeah, that is it. Hopefully I didn't talk too fast. I have a tendency of talking very, very fast. But that is the entire line. I hope this was helpful. Comment below your thoughts and your feelings about the products. Maybe you can help somebody else out. Make sure you also include like your hair type and things like that, so people know if they have a similar texture and maybe it will work for them, maybe it won't. Yeah, so make sure you do that below. Also, let me know other product reviews that you would like to see on my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you for continuing to tune into my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video, and make sure you turn your there go my heavy tongue again. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss a post. So that was the tea. Do with your coin whatever you please. Let me know how it worked, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.